perfect replacement and 100% capability of replacing my Greenworks 60-volt battery. Now this is an upgraded version and it was gifted to me in exchange for my review. Now this battery will fit fully in your original chargers and all of your Greenworks tools, such as snow blowers, you got snow shovels, leaf blowers, a chainsaw, the Greenworks lawnmower. Honestly, this is such a versatile battery. And I love the fact that it'll let you know how charged it is. So before you even start, you can just press that button and it'll let you know. Now that snap right there will ensure that it will be easy for you to use this throughout your whole process of doing whatever you need. This I used as an edger, and you can hear it just made my edger so powerful. And I really like the fact that it lasted throughout my whole time. So if you're looking for a great replacement battery, here it is.